Welcome. This is the tutorial on how to make a flying barb. If you don't know what a barb is, you're gonna find out. So we're gonna make a new project called origami because it's my project. So alright, so what we got here? Okay, we're in construct 3. If you did not know by the title, hopefully. If I put that in the title or description, I don't know. This is the past me trying to figure out what the future me is trying to do. Don't ever do that. Alright, so first things first, we got to do some stuff. Oh boy, do we got a lot to do. So first things first, make a tile map. So right click on an empty area, hit insert new object, go to tile map, hit yeah, click on the white space and boom, you got a tile map. Now screw that tile map, make it go away, press this little clear image button and boom, now you have a clear image of a tile map. In the description I will have a spreadsheet of all of this, all this beauty. There's so much. We got what we got platforms, we got flags. I mean, how can you not want flags in your level? Got some gems, some things, and most importantly, we got barbs. Now, to make a flying barb, copy the flying barb. And that is it. That's pretty much it. That's all I had to do. Okay, so copy the flying barb, insert a new object, call it a sprite. Click on empty space, crop the image so it's super tiny. Hit crop and scroll in. Let's enlarge the canvas. And there's your barbs, all 3 barbs. Now, as an animation standpoint, this is terrible. This is just 3 things that just suck. So we gotta change that. We're gonna have to. There we go. Grab this. This little helpful thing. Hold on, let's grab this one. Stop moving, please. Thank you. Hit copy. Right click in the animations frame section and hit add frame, and then open that up, boom, hit copy, slide that all the way over here and press what is it, go to the paint bucket tool, change the alpha down here to 0, so that way you just get a giant paint bucket that erases, which is super helpful. We don't have to do that here yet. Go back over here, highlight the pretty barb, or select the pretty barb, hit crop, so that we just have the barb in a single frame, and delete the first frame, duplicate it twice, go back to your tile map and select the 3 barbs again. Probably do this an easier way. If you can, do it. I don't care. This is the way I'm doing it. Alright, let's go back to the first barb. Keep the original size so that way you don't have to fiddle-faddle with all that. And let's try to get this barb alone. There we go. Hello, barb. And the other barb, keep the canvas size so that way it doesn't go all wonky on you. And that's the 3rd image. There we go. Paint bucket eraser. Grab that little tiny square because you know you're gonna have to grab that tiny square. And try to center it. You can center it if you want. It don't matter. Next, have to edit the image's central point. I like a good 10, 10. And you're gonna have to change that for all the images. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. There you go. There. So now the center of the image will be where this little dot is, which is really nice. Now, collision box. You can probably leave this alone. It's about the same, because we're not having a player walk around. We're just gonna figure out how to barb flies. Alright, so now we click on animations. Let's rename it. Let's call it barb, because it's a barb. Change the speed if you want, so like 10 million. It's probably going crazy, but it's fine. Probably should go like to 10. 8. Let's go 8. Put it on a loop. Trust me, put it on a loop, or you're going to be annoyed that you're not going to put it on a loop. Because, oh boy, was I annoyed when I didn't put it on a loop. So now you got a tiny barb in your tiny world. Tiny barb. He is fuzzy because I didn't click the right prerequisite or preset. Whoops. Let's see if I can change that. Don't know if I can. Ooh, themes? Oh, I have to purchase. That's nice. Well, when you first make your project, put on pixel something that makes the pixels not crap, because that makes the pixel crap. But it's fine. It's not really about the fancy dancy stuff. It's about the joy of the ride. All right. Next, we're gonna make a background. Don't have to do this part, but I like a background. You can just skip ahead if you want. I don't care. I'm making a background. Super simple. Let's do green. Boom, boom, boom. That's terrible. Let's do it with a line. Hat, hat, and hat. There we go. And then paler green. Doing this out of order. Let's. All right. The back end first. Then the darker color. And then the sky. Boom, boom. Ha! There we go. That's fine. We'll fix that in post. Oh, come on, I fixed it. Oh, there we go. And let's the inside as well, because you know you're gonna have to change the color of this. Wait, no, you don't want to change it yet. Don't change it. Oh, yeah, you can change it. If you want the black lines, have the black lines. I don't care. It's your painting. Background. Ha! There we go. And boom. Quick little background. Beautiful. My mom would be proud. She'd probably hang it on the fridge. That'd be nice. Whoop, don't click that. Don't worry about that. Resize the image to 500. Okay, wrong way. The height. You want to change the height to 500. Select the image and just push it down. Blush preferably. You're not going to be flush, are you? Now you're flush. Okay, cool. Make the background pretty blue sky. And I'm just going to leave that there just to bother people. And whoop, it's fine. Boom. Now we have a nice pretty landscape. Alright, so now we have. Whoop. Well, let's see if I can just. Nope. I didn't want to do that. Hold on. It's fine. There we go. Now let's make a kaiju. Just a big barb. Okay, so now we got a big bird. Now we have to make platforms for the big Barb. Platforms and wall. So make a new object, make a sprite, make okay, and let's paint this color red. Okay, that's the wall. There we go. Shrink that up. And let's make another sprite and call this and make this one a platform, not the same color as the sky. Purple. There we go. And let's so basically this is what's gonna happen. Barb is just gonna, you know, fly around here. That's it. But it's gonna look like it's flying because a thing called programming. Okay, so I believe that's everything. Nope, we gotta do one more thing. Gonna have to change the behavior over in the properties section. Change the behavior of the blue block to a solid. You can have it as a where is it? Platform? Is it a platform? I don't know, something. You can have it as jump through, that's what it's called. You can have it as jump through so that way things can jump up into it but not down below it. So right now we're just gonna make it a solid. Walls are fine. Now we go into the event sheet. And oh boy, do we got a lot of stuff to do here. So, first things first, you gotta hit add event. Click on your little sprite. Probably should rename these first. Let's call them Barb Flying, because Barb be flying. Then we gotta rename this as wall. Rename this as platform, and the other two we don't have to worry about them. So back to the event sheet, click on Barb Flying, and whoa, I did forget something. I knew it. Got it. Oof. You just know you forget something, but you just ignore it. Click on Barb. Good. I'm glad you clicked on Barb. Now click on instant variable over here in the property section. Make a variable called patrol, or walking, or speed, or flying patterns, migration, synonyms. Hit OK, and now click on behavior. You want it to have the behavior of a platformer, and you'll see in a little bit. Change its speed to 150. And change its ability to jump to like 100 or 0. You know, you do you. And take off default controls. You do not want this thing to have the controls of a human. You want this to be an enemy or an NPC or whatever. Just make sure the player's not able to control it. Alright, now we go into the event sheet. I swear. I hope. Now, click on Barb. And what do we got to do? We got to go to compare instant variable. Hit next. Hit done, because that's all you had to do. I know, super easy. Next, I'm just going to do all the events, and then we're going to do all the actions, and then we'll be done. So now you just got to do that again. Instant variable. Change its value to 1. I know, exciting. Next, go to Barb again. Wow, Barb's popular. Go to collision with another object. And choose a wall. Hit done. Alright, this part, it's kind of annoying. Right click on the green arrow. Click on it, hit add sub event. You have to do it on the green arrow, otherwise, what's the point? Click on Barb. Let's do compare instance variable again. Hit done. Don't have to change anything. Back to the green arrow. I know. This is it's just riveting. Because now we get to go to the system. It's the first time for everything, I know. scroll down and click on else. And not Elsa. I swear, not Elsa. That will have bad repercussions that you are not ready for. Now, on to add action. Get to add some action. I know, actions, right? Click on Barb. Go scroll down to the orange man who looks like he should be on a wet floor sign. Click Simulate Control. Hit Next, control the right. So now it moves right. Go click on Add Action, the same section. Hit Barb. And let's do Set Mirrored. Where's Set Mirrored? Set Mirrored, there it is. And have them be mirrored. Go over here again. Alright, now into Patrol 1. Barb. Simulate Control. Left. Barb. Mirrored. Where is it? Not mirrored. Because now you want him to go in the other way. And facing the other way. For collisions with the wall, don't have to do anything. Which is super nice. Go to Barb. The patrol equals 0. Go to Barb. And set patrol to 1. So now we have to go to then where do I gotta go? Set value. Patrol equals 1. And click on Barb for the system else. Set value to 0. And now you just place Barb in the world. This giant Barb. And bloop. Let's see what he does. Flop, 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 flop. Boom. See, now it looks a little ugly, right? I know. What you have to do is click on these beautiful blocks and make initially visible. Take that off. So now they all go invisible when you press press play. So now you just got a blind Barb. Let's have Barb roam in the skies. Flop, 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 flop. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make Barb fly through the skies like an eagle soaring. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. And wish Barb the best of luck through soaring through the skies. All right, bye.